Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis before, but I like to do this just because I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Like I said, did this before. It's been a few days, but that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and that brings about some of our first updates. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of, actually just this line, I guess, now that I look at it. But the first update that needs to occur is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watch the videos and remember them from the past. But if you do, hopefully, like I said, you remember me talking about 225 as resistance. You can see multiple times the price just kept on knocking down this area time and time again, including right there. However, this morning, price gapped up and, the price did pull back. But from the bigger picture perspective, the price is now up above 225. So going forward, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can now hold up above $2.25, that would definitely give the chart, the most attractive appearance, and just tell the quote unquote strongest story. Now, I probably should have started with this, but oh well. There is some perspective that goes into this. So what do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2.8 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But big picture perspective, as I've already alluded, I mean, the bulls made progress. If they can put in this higher base right here, then compared to, where these previous bases have been, then the uptrend from the big picture perspective will continue. So I fully realize that if you're a day trader and depending on your perspective, some of the stuff I could be saying may make me sound crazy. But remember, ask yourself, what was my strategy going in? And from the people that care about the overall picture of things more than just one little day, the bulls made some nice movement here today. Sure, it would have been better if the price would have maintained those gains, but if the price can stay up above 225, that would be a higher base, and higher bases are what it's all about when it comes to building those long-term uptrends. In regards to levels of resistance, 267 right here is still a level. Yes, the price temporarily got up above it, but could not maintain above it, therefore still got to be considered a level of resistance. And then the next level after that, right up here, give or take around the $3.20 mark. So all in all, not the best day in the sense of it didn't hold on to the gains, but taking a step back and looking at more than one day, good day. It built a higher base. It's working on putting in a higher low, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to do that or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.